Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to hide your friends list in Facebook on your PC. Protecting your privacy is important, and by following these simple steps, you can control who can see your friends list. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website in your browser. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Facebook profile page. Step 3. Next, click on Settings and Privacy located below your profile photo. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open the settings page for your Facebook account. Step 5. Now click on Privacy from the left-hand side menu. Step 6. Locate the section labeled Who Can See Your Friends List and click on Edit next to it. Step 7. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on it to open the options. Step 8. Finally, select Only Me from the options available. This will ensure that only you can see your friends list. By following these steps, you can easily hide your friends list on Facebook, giving you more control over your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.